Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the file name and a backup plan. Start by stopping the host process now. Once stopped, verify the running service and note PID so you can restart cleanly. Make sure to copy the plugin directory to a dated backup. Do not rely on one copy. You're protecting configs and avoiding rollback pain. This also prevents permissions errors when removing files. Next, confirm you have admin or root rights so deletion will succeed. Now locate every instance of the rage hook. Scan plugin folders and config files with exact string matches. Once found, remove references in configs before deleting files. Otherwise, the system may attempt to reload a missing hook. Delete the plugin binary, script files, and any accompanying libraries, and then clear the app cache and temporary folders. After cleanup, run a dry start to ensure nothing calls the hook. If errors appear, they'll point to lingering references you missed. Finish by restarting the host service and watching logs in real time to confirm no load or missing hook errors. If errors persist, restore your backup to a temporary location, recheck configs, and remove only confirmed references. This avoids breaking unrelated plugins. Make sure to check file locks and active processes. Use a process lister to find handles that keep files open. One key troubleshooting tip. If deletion fails, stop dependent processes, then delete. That usually clears stubborn file lock issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.